I have 4 years experience in this field, but I can't grow. Brother, please tell me what is the importance of learning English?
Actually, if I say about what is the importance of learning English, English is an international language. You have to think that, and there are some of the country who are using English as their mother tongue. Also, there are a lot of country who are using English as their second language. And if I say about another thing, like learning English is not about just language, it's about culture, because when you will be able to speak English properly, it will let you more enjoy. Also, you will be able to know about another country's culture, and you have to think that as a human being, when you will respect another country's culture, it will easy to make friends. But when you don't respect another culture, that time actually you will never make friend. And if I say about, like, you have been here for going abroad, right? So actually if already you fixed that one day you will go abroad, so if you want to go abroad, you must need to learn English. Without learning English, it will never be possible to go another country. And if I say about job sector, actually in our job sector, English is most common language. So what's your thinking, that learning English is really crucial for every individual?
Yes, I think so, because English is very important in our country, because I live in Bangladesh, so English is our second language. Can I deal with international client and they don't know Bangla, so
That's the fact.
yeah, that's the fact. And I want to learn English just because of my communication. I improve my communication skill. I have 4 years experience in this field, but I can't grow. It's difficult to adopt a new language
Yeah,
because it's
obviously.
grammar. So many grammar and vocabulary and pronunciation. So lot of things I should adopt.
Yeah, English is not about like job sector or language or something like that. In your future, you can go anywhere for traveling, right? So actually, if you are not able to speak English, so how will you make conversation with them? How will what can I say, that how will you inform about this place or country? Like
You are right. If I want to visit
international country, yeah.
countries like Thailand, India, Singapore.
It can be anywhere.
Yeah. I want to go another country to visit, to see something about their culture. So if I want about their culture, then I should learn English. I want to know English. When I didn't know English, I won't be able to conversation there. Okay, brother. See you tomorrow and have a good day.
Have a good day.